Another look at traffic and weather. Good morning, Kirsten.
Good morning. Well, it's a chilly start out there at 35 degrees right now, so if you happen to be heading out early, make sure you bundle up. Temperatures are going to be staying, though, a little on the cool side through at least the mid-morning hour until we head into that lunch hour. Then we'll start to warm up a bit. But right now, again, it's 35, and winds are out of the southeast at 5 miles per hour. Some of us are even chillier than that. In fact, we're seeing lots of 20s out there this morning. Bartlesville, Tahlequah, Muskogee, Okmulgee, all coming in the upper 20s. Even as far south as McAllister, we're seeing temperatures closer to around 28 degrees. Now, the winds are still coming out of the south this morning, and they're anywhere from about 5, maybe even 10 miles an hour in some spots. Pretty light, though, in some areas like Tahlequah. You're currently seeing calm conditions. But where we are seeing the wind, we are getting a bit of a wind chill. So it feels closer to around 31 here in Tulsa, feeling a little bit more like 24 in Muskogee. Again, definitely just a cold start for our Thursday. Now, as we take a look at your live radar out there, again, it's clear. We don't even really have much in the way of any cloud coverage. Today, we'll see lots of sun, and as we head through the afternoon, those temperatures are going to be warming on up into the 60s. So it will be warmer today than what we saw yesterday. We're looking for those highs anywhere from around 62 or so over towards Grove and Pryor to about 65 here in Tulsa and Okmulgee. 67 is expected over near Ponca City and Stillwater. So again, looking at a very nice Thanksgiving ahead. You start off cool, so if you have an early morning walk maybe that you're doing with the family before you start again on your meal there around lunchtime or so, you're going to want to bundle up for that. Around lunch, then we're going to be closer to 58. And then this afternoon, there's your high in the mid 60s with those winds staying light today out of the south at 5 to 10 miles an hour. Now that will continue in through the night, and then we'll see those temperatures right around 6:30 as lights on is happening over towards Utica Square. That's going to be about 54 degrees at that point. Again, if you're heading to that, just make sure you have that jacket with you. But the good news is we're not expecting any sort of rainfall, so it should be a dry and very pleasant evening out there. Tomorrow for Black Friday, things are looking even warmer. We start the day off with temps about 10 degrees warmer than what we're seeing this morning. At lunchtime, then, you're at 67. Again, sunshine expected through the afternoon as we see a high closer to around 73 by that 4 o'clock hour or so. It is going to be a nice warm one for us for Friday. Then a front moves through for the weekend. It's a dry front, but it's going to knock those temps back down in the 60s for Saturday, Sunday. We'll warm back to the 70s on Monday before another front passes then on Tuesday with a slight chance for rain and then cooler conditions by the middle of the week.